So I have included an image of this handout on the Canvas assignment that you're currently working on. So what you might want to do is watch the video, see how I'm handling doing the assignment myself, but then go back and look at this on your computer screen so you can actually see the symbols that you're choosing for your scroll. Now, because I'm not really fluent in how to actually write these symbols in this language, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cheat a little bit. So when you were doing your research, you saw that there are the 4 treasures to doing a calligraphy scroll. One of them would be a brush. So yes, I am going to use a brush later, but at this point, I'm not good enough to be ready to do that. So when I say I'm going to cheat, what I'm really doing is I'm planning ahead. I'm going to do this in pencil first. So I've got my paper here. You can use whatever size you want to do, and you can practice this as often as you want to. So we're doing one together right now. So I'm going to put the paper here, and I'm going to be looking at the actual symbols. So let's say I start with this one piece. Well, I said before that you're picking 3 of these. So what you need to do is visually space out 1, 2, 3. So you need to think about what size you'll be doing these. So looking at this at first, it's like, well, I don't know how to write that. But what I'm going to do is look at the marks. So it seems like there's this vertical line that goes this way. So if I start with that, that's a good way to help myself. Then there's one that goes across the top of it. So that's helping me. And then there's one that sort of goes through the middle of it. There's a mark over here and a mark here. Now we notice, you guys should be seeing that some of these lines are thicker, some of them get skinnier. I'm not going to worry about it with the pencil. I'm going to actually do that when I move on to using the brush. So I picked peace, so I need to pick another one that goes with that. So I think my next one is going to be kindness. So I'm going to do this one here. So I've got this mark. This one's another long line, so I should probably do that one next. This diagonal mark, and then this one. And then the way that I've done this is I've spaced it out so I have room for one more. Now I'm going to do this one, long life, which is a little difficult. It has a lot to it. But I saved this one for last, so I'm sort of practicing and working my way up to one that's a little bit harder. So when I look at it and I break it down, it's got the long vertical line through the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and put that one. There's a line going through the middle, sort of bisecting it there. And then I'm going to go this way. There's one inside of here. Then if I look, there's another line there. It attaches to another one on this side, and inside this part, there's actually 2 marks if I break that apart. So when I look at it one mark at a time, that actually makes it a lot easier. So you guys are going to work on doing yours in pencil, and then we're going to move on to using the brush.